y'all, my name is Bibi and welcome back to my channel. Now keep in mind, for the first couple episodes of this series, I am going to be wearing the same outfit. I am trying to knock out as many of the companies that I've had that have been piling up that I've needed to review as much as possible today, so please bear with me. Now there might be a little bit of an outfit change, who knows, after I review this clothing company. We'll see what happens. For our second episode, we are going to be reviewing a black-owned candle company, and it's called Dorothy B Co. I absolutely love this company. So I discovered them during the pandemic, and I thought they're absolutely fabulous. The smell, oh my god, they smell so good. Like, they're so strong, and it's also soy wax, so it does burn a lot slower, so you'll have it for a lot longer. I think the burning time for each candle is about 60 to 80 hours for one this size. I did get two that I wanted to share with you guys. I think this one is the honeysuckle and jasmine. Absolutely amazing. Like, as you can see, I have burned a lot of it. It's almost done. This is one of my favorites because it says exhale the BS. Definitely need that when things are getting kind of rough. Why not have that as a mantra? Exhale all the BS. You can notice that it is a little messy. What I like to do, because the smell is so amazing, after I run a hot bath and I've lit my candle, what I'll do to help seal in the moisture is pour a little bit of that candle wax onto my hand and spread it across my body. For those who don't know, candle wax, or wax itself, is absolutely amazing for your body. And it being that this is soy wax, it does have a cooler burning point, so when the wax is melted, it's not as hard, like not as hot as like the paraffin ones or anything like that. So you are able to pour straight from the container and rub that on your body, but also be cautious if you are going to do something like that. You should blow out your candle first and then pour. And also make sure that it is organic or as close to natural, or soy wax is the best wax to use if you do want to do something like that, FYI. Now, I am going to show you the package because I do have the original package. This is what it looks like when it comes. I love the tape that they use for their package. I think it's super cute. It says everything about the company. Well, it doesn't say everything about the company, but it's like little candles, their hashtags, and then it does say Dorothy B Co. So then when you first open your package, this is what it looks like, because I kept everything, all the original stuff, even though I've been burning the crap out of the, you know, other candle, but I've left everything else in here. Super, super cute packaging. I am a sucker for amazing packaging. Like, any company that has like really good packaging, you definitely have me sold. Like, I am such a sucker for that. So inside the box, we do have the receipt, because I did purchase these myself. These are not sponsored, so these I paid for out of pocket. I did order two candles. You did see one of them, which is the XL the BS candle. That is in honeysuckle jasmine scented. And then there's a thank you card. It also has some safety on the back on how to use your candle, making sure to cut the wick and everything like that. So absolutely amazing. It also comes with a sticker, super cute. And it does talk about how the candles are 100% soy wax. It's just proof that the candles are 100% soy wax. Right underneath all of this hay kind of stuffing is where the candles were placed. So let me grab this one really quick. So this candle was right here next to this other one. The other candle that I got, oh my god, I'm telling you, these smell so good. Oh, so good. When I say those smell so good, when I was talking about I pour some of that wax on my body after I take a bath, like the next day when I wake up, I still smell like it. I can bathe and still kind of get a light hint of the wax. Like, my bed will smell like it. I'll pass it's just amazing. Anyways, and then the second candle that I did get that I haven't burned yet is the sea salt and orchid. Okay, y'all. This smells heavenly. Heavenly. Like, divine. So as you can see, like I said, I haven't used this one yet. The wick is still white. And it came in this kind of jar. Now, the one complaint that I do have about these candles, because they're all like super fabulous. Like my cousin got some and hers smell really amazing as well. The only complaint that I did have was when you get the candles that are like this without the top, so with the ones that aren't jarred, during the summer, the wax and the oil does melt during transit. That happened to my cousins. Like hers kind of leaked everywhere. It still smelled good and they still worked, but they were kind of melted by the time they got all the way out here to California. So keep in mind the time of year when you do buy them. Now would be the perfect time since it's really cool outside. Your candles will come back, will arrive perfectly. Like when I ordered mine, it was closer towards the cooler time of the summer, and mine came perfect. There was no damage, there was no leak, nothing. But just keep in mind, like I said, around the time of year when you are buying your candles. These are absolutely amazing. I really have no complaints about these whatsoever. I'll definitely be buying more in the near future. I actually have a bunch in my cart already because I'm not playing. Like these are so amazing. Like I thought Bath and Body Works candles were good. Like no, these are absolutely fabulous. I cannot stop ranting and raving about them. They smell so good. And we'll also have a link in the description bar below that will give you 20% off of your purchase. So you know, like I said, I got y'all, don't worry. You'll have that down below, so you just go ahead and click that link and just place your orders in. It should automatically take off that 20% for you guys. But yes, go ahead and let me know what you think about our second episode, and make sure you leave any comments below, like, share, subscribe. And like if you are a black owned business that is watching this and you need someone to review, or you'd like somebody to review your stuff, please go ahead and email me. My email will be in the description bar below. Please reach out. Also make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys know when I do upload. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Time to pump some.